Hey everyone, welcome back to my crochet channel. Today we're going to make this beautiful flower keychain together. It's the perfect little charm to hang on your backpack or purse, and it also makes a super sweet gift for your friends. For this project, we're going to need some milk cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and a bit of thin crafting wire. We'll also need some flower stamens, but if you don't have any, no worries, we can just crochet them using our yarn instead. First, we'll start with the flower. Make 5 single crochets into a magic ring. Slip stitch into the very first stitch. Chain 3, then yarn over twice to make a treble crochet. Yarn over 3 times to work a double treble crochet into the exact same stitch. Then chain 2, turn, and slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then work another treble crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2, turn, and slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Next, work another double treble crochet into the exact same stitch. Then, work one more treble crochet into the same stitch. Chain 3, and slip stitch into the same stitch to complete the petal. Repeat this pattern for the next 4 petals, making a total of 5 petals. To make the flower stamen, chain 3. Turn and work 2 slip stitches starting from the second chain from the hook. Chain 3 again, turn, and work 2 slip stitches just like before. Repeat this pattern for a total of 6 times. Roll up the stamen like this, then glue it onto the flower. To make the flower bud, start with a magic ring and chain 2. Then, work 9 incomplete double crochets into the ring. Then, pull the yarn through all the loops on your hook. Work a slip stitch to close the cluster. Chain 2 and work another slip stitch into the magic ring. For the bouquet, start with 12 double crochets into a magic ring. Work a slip stitch into the first stitch, and then chain 2. For row 2, work 12 double crochet increases. This means making 2 double crochets into every single stitch. For row 3, repeat the pattern of 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet increase 12 times. For row 4, repeat the pattern of 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 double crochet 12 times. Row 5, repeat the pattern of 3 double crochets and 1 double crochet increase 12 times. Row 6, chain 3, work 1 single crochet, and repeat this pattern until the end. Apply a little glue to the stamen to attach it to the flower. Then, insert a wire through the flower to secure it as the stem. Wrap the yarn around the stem to secure the flower. Do the same for the bud. Then wrap the yarn to combine the flowers and buds into a bouquet. Place the bouquet into the crochet wrap and tie a pretty bow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.